To hide your friends list on Facebook. Start by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone and select the menu button at the bottom right. From there, choose the gear icon in the top right, next to the search icon. To access the settings and privacy options, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Then select How people find and contact you. In this section, you'll find the option to control who can see your friends list, which is the second item listed. Click on the drop-down menu next to this option to choose who can view your friends list. You can select Only Me to completely hide it, or choose to allow friends or specific friends to see it. Selecting Only Me will ensure that your friends list is completely private. Once you've made your selection, you can return to the home screen, and your friends list will be hidden from everyone except you.